It all starts here with the redesign of the front grille. The 2019 Mercedes-Maybach now has a vertical slat design similar to the Maybach Zeppelins of the 1930s, creating an exclusive identity for this Mercedes-Maybach S-Class sedan. The Maybach wordmark, just below the three-point star, further distinguishes Mercedes-Maybach, the leading innovator of technology and safety benchmarks for world-class luxury vehicles. Polished chrome accents highlight the front apron, drawing attention to the advanced LED intelligent light system with ultra-wide beam headlamps, an improvement of this innovative lighting technology. In addition, the distinctive triple eyebrow daytime running lamps highlight the eyes of the car during the day. Adaptive high beam assist allows safer navigation at night by automatically illuminating the high beams when appropriate in order to increase visibility while avoiding dazzling oncoming traffic. At the back of the car, we have 3-segment vertical tail lamps with LED stardust reflector technology that creates a stimulating Milky Way effect for a brilliant appearance. Stepping back to admire the car's distinctive form and the length, 8 inches of additional rear legroom, the Maybach S650 exudes more grandeur and refinement than ever before. The two-tone exterior paint finish, exclusive to Maybach, is available in 9 different color combinations. These exterior paint finishes are created using a hand-manufactured process. Finally, optional alloy wheel sets include 20-inch forged wheels like this and 20-inch multi-spoke wheels, 2 of the 4 Maybach exclusive wheel options available. Now, I know you're anxious to see the interior, and trust me, it has some incredible new appointments, but let me call your attention to these 2 classic exterior design elements unique to Mercedes-Maybach. First is this chrome V-shaped pillar that flows between the front and rear window. And second is the double M emblem, which stands for Maybach Manufaktur, a unique recognition of Wilhelm Maybach, a veritable king of engineers in his day, and his advanced design contributions to the early establishment of Mercedes-Benz. It's a legendary logo that links the past to the present. Now, let's get a look inside. The Mercedes-Maybach interior cabin is a sanctuary of contemporary design overflowing with advanced technology. In the executive rear seat with its 8 inches of extra legroom, you're surrounded by luxury. Smooth-grain Thankyou semi-aniline leather is hand-tailored to the seats and also features leather headliner, dashboard, head restraints, and virtually every cabin surface that's not wood or satin aluminum trimmed. Exquisitely crafted, hand-selected, and supremely supple Thankyou semi-aniline leather is available in 3 different color options. For Napa leather interiors, you can choose from copper, gold, or platinum-colored contrasting top stitching. And exclusive to the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, the new Thankyou Magnolia Flowing Lines trim option, created from hand-picked wood, is a detail masterpiece that complements the sweeping lines of the cabin interior. The 3-spoke steering wheel comes in wood leather and has been redesigned with touch control buttons for the entire multimedia system. It's more leather than ever, including tufted leather makeup mirrors and plush pillows that create an exclusive and stately atmosphere in the cabin. And if you like the premium look of the interior, you can always add exclusive accessories for yourself from the Maybach Icons of Luxury Driver's Choice collection. These fashionable items, handmade by master craftsmen, include leather handbags, unique accessories, and stylish sunglasses that capture the color hues of the interior and complement your own personal style. Now, to really experience music and not just hear it, the Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system with its 26 speakers and 1190-watt amp delivers stunning music reproduction. The rear seat entertainment system includes 2 flat screens and wireless remotes for individual viewing to satisfy a wide range of preferences. The interior ambient lighting design in 64 colors is extended in the rear cabin with over 300 LEDs and 3 color zone combinations that can be customized to suit your personal taste. Want to welcome in the sun and the stars? The fully functional glass panorama sunroof offers sweeping skyward views with a front panel that can tilt up for ventilation or slide over for an open-air feeling. Power shades overhead, behind and in the rear cabin side windows can adjust for sunlight or ensure privacy. Innovative Magic Sky Control alters the transparency of the panorama glass panels, minimizing the amount of thermal energy that enters and blocking UV rays to keep the cabin cooler. The Mercedes Maybach S650 offers a wide range of interior cabin standard features, including executive rear seats with a 43-degree recline and power calf rest, a folding front passenger seat, heated and ventilated seating with massage features, and high-pile floor mats. Optional features include a wood-trimmed console that conceals heated and cooled cup holders, a pair of sleek aluminum and leather-trimmed fold-out writing tables, a refrigerated compartment behind the center armrest, and a set of silver champagne flutes by renowned silversmiths Robbe and Birking. Whether you're in the driver's seat or being chauffeured, the Maybach's interior comforts and conveniences have been designed to elevate your senses and driving experience. What do you say? Shall we go for a ride? The Mercedes Maybach features two powertrain choices to suit your individual driving preference. For the S650, the handcrafted bi-turbo V12 engine delivers a smooth, effortless ride by reaching 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. And the S560 4MATIC sedan features a powerful bi-turbo V8 with a 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission and can reach 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. With the S650, the standard driver assistance package includes 10 safety features. Among them, Active Distance Assist Distronic and Active Steering Assist, which work in tandem to provide even more comfort and safety as they automatically keep a pre-selected distance from the vehicle in front and assist steering with the speed adjusted automatically ahead of bends or road junctions. This interaction is complemented by an improved active lane changing assist. With Magic Body Control, a camera scans the road ahead, while advanced hydraulics actively generate forces to counteract the effects of bumps and dips on ride and handling. And the curve feature leans into corners like a slalom skier, maintaining comfort even on winding roads. There's so much more I could tell you about the 2019 Mercedes Maybach S650, but to truly appreciate the opulent luxuries, innovative technologies, and sophisticated driving performance, you have to experience it. In addition, concept cars like the all-electric Mercedes Maybach Vision 6, including the cabriolet version, represent the future of high-end luxury vehicles. The promise the Mercedes Maybach makes, with its elegance and majesty, it upholds with its essence, and the world's finest automobile has never been more formidable.